Here's little Ben nodding off.
Oh, look at Aunt Monica's little boy.
Oh, look, he's got Ross's haircut.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, God, is he just the sweetest thing? You must just want to kiss him all over.
That would be nice.
Pardon?
Nothing, just a little extra air in my mouth.
Hey, Chen, can you help me out here? I promise I'll pay you back.
Oh, yeah, right, okay, including the waffles last week, you now owe me $17 jillion.
I will, really. I'll pay you back this time.
And where's this money coming from?
Well, I'm helping out down at the NYU Med School with some research.
What kind of research?
Just, you know, science.
Science. Yeah, I think I've heard of that.
It's a fertility study.
Oh, Joey. Please tell me you're only donating your time.
All right, come on, you guys. It's not that big a deal. Really. I mean, I just go down there every other day and make my contribution to the project. Hey, but at the end of 2 weeks, I get $700.
Hey.
Wow. Ooh, you're going to be making money hand over fist.